So, hello guys, how are you? I hope that everyone will be good. So, today I continue our English practice day 10. So, guys, today I start from my today routine. So, today I get up 8:30 a.m. and after getting I praise God's and after that I go for washrooms and after that I take my brush and I brush my teeth and after that I use my mobile phone and after some time uh, Burgess come in my room and he say let's go for breakfast. So I say sometimes wait. So after sometimes we go for breakfast and in today in breakfast is chapati and chapati and what things. So 1 minute just I am watching just connecting of my Bluetooth, so not connect. So now I start guys. So after that I came again my room and in my room I make a I create a daily routines because what to do today. So creates and say I start in my daily routines. I make I will study today. First of all, I will study of DBMS and after that I will do aptitudes 1.5 hours and after that I will do engineering mathematics and after that I will do computer network and that was my plan. So what I do follow today. So I have completed guys aptitudes portions and I watch ER models one lectures and I watch computer networks 1 hour lectures and after that I solve 3 to 4 questions of engineering mathematics from calculus and after that after that it means I come again in my daily routines because I am I think I go for some other things. So I start my study and I study 10 to 12. I start watching videos of DBMS and in DBMS today I study foreign key. So what kind of type teaches by Vijay Agrawal sir? Because literally if I say guys, Vijay sir is the god of DBMS because today today sir teaches and see each and every concept clears of foreign key, every concept clear. So in foreign key, so I want to describe just what is foreign key. So foreign key is attributes that foreign key is attributes that that reference primary key or alternative key, same tables or other table. And sir also give me some tricks. As you know, if you will study from Vijay Agrawal sir, then you will definitely know about this concept. Suppose that how do you know how do you remember referencing and reference. So sir says suppose that someone is going foreign Videsh. So the, when any people is going, so they are using verb ing. So when foreign key contains when foreign key contains any attribute, so that will be their referencing sense. When primary key represented referenced by foreign key, that means it will be reference, that means it will be reference relation. So reference relations is also known as parent table, and foreign foreign referencing relations is known as child table. So those things teaches each and every concern. And say after a study my DBMS, I go for a study. I go for our lunch, and say in to, so today was guys Vishkarma Puja. So Sonu do puja, and say he give me prasadi, and say I take prasadi in morning, and say I think say approx 12 p.m. 12 p.m. We go for our lunch. That times some students coming, and I also take prasadi, and I also go before our lunch for pray to Lord's Vishkarma Baba. So after praying, and after pranams, we come canteen, since in today is in our canteens. Today was in our canteens rice and dal and paneer. So today was special because today was Vishkarma Puja, and after taking our dinners, I come my room, and again I use my mobile phone. Since after using my mobile phones, I start study of engineering mathematics. Since I solve approx 3 to 4 questions of engineering mathematics, and after solving questions of engineering mathematics, I go for download videos of computer networks. So I go for Burj's room, and I take from him hotspots, and I download videos of computer networks routing theory, routing algorithms, videos number 3, lecture number 3. And after downloads, I that time concurrently, not we can say it parallelly, in backends downloading my videos, and I uses YouTube, and watch some YouTube lectures, and some social medias, how is going once social medias, and some so guys, today was a incident. I watch videos suddenly, and there there is a giving interview as you know, Deepak sir Patna. So that was a very bad news, guys, because he is very good teacher. He is honest teacher, and he is anyone stolen, not we can say that stolen his channels, but anyone strike his channels 80 times 3 strikes, and suddenly his channel deleted. Suddenly his channel is deleted. So sir was very upset. So I also I was also upset, because sir is very honest people, and he is a good teacher, and who do with him, guys, these types of crimes. so it is not good things. So I also bad feel, guys, and see, immediately I subscribe channels. Sir make channels name से Deepak sir team's names channel, and I immediately subscribe channel, guys, and also share my WhatsApp group, and also I request for my friends, please subscribe these channels, because sir is suffering from critical situations, because sir channels has deleted. So please support sir, because sir is very honest, and each and every time support students, because I am belongs to engineering background. Along with I support Deepak sir, because he is I realize he is very honest teacher. So I want to request you also, guys, everyone subscribe channel से Deepak sir, channel name Deepak sir team. So currently subscriber there 14,000 approx. So when you watch these videos, maybe increase this subscriber approx 25 and more than, and say, and under 2 to 3 days I want to, guys, sir channels cross 1 lakh subscriber in within 2 days. So please support everyone. Go the YouTube channels of Deepak sir, and you can type Deepak sir team, and you can subscribe there, and you can support, and you can also watch there, because there are lots of contents by the sir, and sir teaches their reasonings, mathematics, and GK, GS, and lots of things. Each and everything you can got there for you if you are preparing for any competitive exam. So definitely, guys, you go there and you support sir, because your supports need Deepak sir. So definitely you should go there. So guys, I came back my routine. So after that, after watching those videos, I again I download my videos of computer network, since I start my computer networks class. So I complete my computer network class. After completing my completed my computer network class, I start revise of whatever I done today and yesterday of class lecture. I revise those things. I revise first lectures of ER diagrams, and what is entity set, relations, and what is store attributes, and complex attributes, composite attributes, and single attribute, multi-valued attribute. So each and everything I clears, guys, and once ब्रह्मास्त्र also gives us, जिसके ऊपर तीर जाएगा वो अकेला बंदा मरेगा. It means it was just a fun, guys. It was just a trick for remember. Sir say in which side going to arrow, those sides always will be one, because I am saying you, guys, one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many functions concept, and always will be candidate ki inside of many side. So after these things, I after revising my concepts, I also revise computer network concept, because routing algorithm is very we can say that's not a very easy subject, a very easy topic, but it is a logical subject. Logical, because if you see questions of routing algorithm in 2 to 3 slides, but you can able to solve 2 to 3 minutes, guys. But if anyone's watch first time questions, anyone see first time questions, first times that questions, they will deny to solve that question, because they have not patience. He can solve the questions reading approx 2 to 3 slides. So it is very necessary, guys, and it is very important topics of routing algorithm. If you are preparing for 2026, you need to crystal clear for routing algorithm. Because if I say about routing algorithm asked by 2021, 2022, 2023, but I am not able to say in 2000 about 2024 and 25, because in my in 2025 I think not asked, but 2024 maybe asked. So it is important, guys. So you also need to prepare in this year. So you maybe in 2026 ask 2 marks questions and 4 marks also, because there is two questions was those was common data questions. For one data is given, and that data uses, and 2 questions asked. So these types question also asked from there. So after that, guys, now again come Ratnesh, and he's talk about some, and we also enjoying here, and we are also funning and kiddings, and after kiddings, guys, after kiddings, now time, guys, 8:30, and our dinner time. And I, Kamlesh, and Sonu Burgess, and every 4th years students go for our dinners, and in path, in road walkings, we make plan. Today we will purchase chicken chili. So sometime after some time, remember, guys, today is Vishkarma Puja, so could not we should not eat. So after that, we make plans for taking cords. So Kamlesh called Burgess for taking cords, and after that, we wait for some behinds of our main gates, and they come, and after coming, we go for canteen, our dinner, and we take dinners. And after taking dinner, guys, after taking dinners, I came room, and again we go for Burgess room, and there approx 30 minutes just going once kiddings, and also I sit in PS Anand room. So in PS Anand room, PS Anand's watching just reel, and I also watch with him reels, and he is using that time using earphone. So I take a side earphone, since I listening of reels. So I watch approx 10 to 15 reels in 10 minutes approx. So after watching reels, I came my room, and after my coming my room, I start my preparations of some remaining, because today some remaining topics was revise of computer network. So I starts that thing. Since after doing, after I starts solving of questions with the help of videos from 1500 series. So I start solve the questions of approx 5 to 6 questions solved from normalization. And after solving I start revise of operating system, because I am getting some difficulty levels of remembers formula of pagings, because in pagings there are lots of concept usage and lots of formula usage. There are usage effective memory there are lot of confusions in effective memory access time formulas, because there are lots of formula usage, and each and every time changes quickly, as like one formula is used for TLB, फिर with TLB, फिर dirty bited, फिर without dirty bited, फिर page fault service time, फिर non page service time. So there are lot of concepts. So each and every concept merge with each another. So so there is confusion some. So I clears approx very nearby, and I needs more 1 to 2 times for revise and recall those formula. So after recalling, each and every formula will be clear. So if I talk about effective memory access time, because there will be question asked directly database, because there is formula is very lengthy formula. Because if I say about suppose that I am saying a formula, suppose that for TLB. So in TLB I say suppose that in TLB formula, suppose that I want to find what will be of TLB access time for heat. So when come TLB, so what there may be two conditions. One condition is maybe in heat TLB, and maybe in maybe heat in TLB, and maybe not heat in TLB, means in TLB. So when it will be TLB in heat, so it will be take TLB access time, and after TLB access time it will be go for access the contents. So where go for access content? Physical memory. So in physical memory it takes main memory access time, and suppose that it will be miss the TLB. So when it will be miss the TLB, so what will be here? So after missing TLB, maybe it go for a page table, and see in page table it will already, because it is already access the TLB. So TLB access time and twice of main memory access time, and page twice of main memory access time, just till. So what will be its formula? Effective memory access time is equal to heat. If it will be heat, then TLB access time plus main memory access time. If it will be miss, then there will be TLB access time plus twice of main memory access time. So these types of formula. So examiner already know, guys, because already its formula is difficult. So they not want to they are suffering such students very critical situation. So in previous year questions I watch each and every question, so is very easy, only formula based question. So I also today solve some page replacement questions, approximately 3 to 4 questions, and previous year questions, and guys, some questions I was confused, because suppose that I want to take an example of LRU, least recently used. Say you take the data which are not going to, which has not going to use for longest period of time. So I was confused when heat. So how to consider, how to take so there was some confusion. So after reading my notes I was clear it, and guys, after those things I start making these videos. after I start this creating videos, and say every day I upload one videos on my YouTube channel and one short video. So you watch this video and support me. And say one things also remember guys, because one things I say about Deepak sir, so you can also subscribe Deepak sir channels. I not say my channel subscribe. I only request from you guys, you subscribe Deepak sir team, Deepak sir team channel subscribe, and say like, and also send with your friend, also send your with your friend, and say you can say request from him, and say watch my video full videos, and say learn some things, and say you can say also practice as likes. So simple guys. And say so guys, I want to end this sessions because this sessions is very long, approx 25 minutes. So I want to end this session. So guys, again say thank you, and I want to end.